Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be taking a look at the new mechanic in Memphis, Britt. So we saw Brian working on Kaiser Blade during JJ's live feed recently on his Facebook page, but we actually went to JJ's arm drop in Missouri over the weekend, and the poor guy worked on cars the entire day, and y'all, it was friggin' hot. Well, he worked on everybody's cars except for his own. Actually, like, we didn't even see him work on Beetlejuice at all, which is pretty crazy because if you know, Britt works on his own stuff all the time. Like, every JJ's arm drop we've ever been to, he's working on his own stuff. So, let's check out exactly what he did that day. So here you're going to see Brian changing out the gear drive in the Pro Charger on zip tie. That is what he did for a very long time right here in 90-something degree weather. But anywho, he did an excellent job. Zip tie ran awesome and went on to win Big Tire with Trisha driving, of course. Video coming soon. So hats off to Britt for getting zip tie dialed in. He is a super cool guy, very friendly, always makes time for his fans. But it looks like JJ is willing to risk losing yet another one of his teammates. You would think after what happened with Hercules, he would have went outside of his circle to find a mechanic, but who knows, maybe it will work out. I sure hope so, because I'm not sure Memphis can afford to lose another teammate. Hopefully they get all that worked out, though, and things go back to normal for the MSO, but I'm seriously doubting that will happen, at least not right now. So I'll let you guys go ahead and take a look at what he's got going on here.
That's a supercharger. Need a little help dealing whenever I start lining it up. So I had to turn the blade. Turn the blade. There we go. Right there. That's us.
So what's y'all's take on it? Be sure and drop me a comment down below and let me know what y'all think about Britt being the new mechanic in Memphis. Do you think it'll last? Do you think he will completely give up on Memphis like Hercules did? Who knows what's going to happen, guys, but I will be sure and stay on top of it and let you guys know. Will it work, or will the MSO lose another family member? Will Beetlejuice take a back seat to JJ's cars? I mean, ask Anthony Smith. He was working on JJ's cars instead of working on his own, which in turn led him to not be as competitive as he normally would have been because he was too busy working on JJ's stuff. So, I don't know. Is it a mistake for Britt to be following in Anthony Smith's footsteps for the MSO? We'll see. Hopefully it's not, but I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on it, guys. So let me know what y'all think down below, and be sure and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with what's going on with the MSO. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.